What's happening, ladies and gents? It's your boy Dangerous Dave coming at you from the hardware kitchen. Day 3,457 of lockdown. Not that I'm counting, but you know what, guys? You know what makes the whole experience a little more bearable is that I've been able to play with this bad boy right here, the Lenovo IdeaPad L340 Gaming Edition. It's as thin as a biscuit, but it has more power than the entire forward pack of the Springboks World Cup Edition. Trust me, those guys are burly, and I know a burly man when I see one. You don't believe me? This is what I eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I know strength when I see it. In slim form factor. Yeah? It's like looking into a mirror, ladies and gents. Small, thin form factor, but all the power you can possibly get into that chassis, that sexy chassis. Jokes aside, ladies and gentlemen, this is some real gaming tech. Not only does the form factor rival some of the thinnest MacBooks out there, or some of the thinnest gaming PCs out there, but like I said, it's got some burly manpower under the hood. You can kit this bad boy out with the GTX 1050 all the way up to a 1650. I know in the form factor, looks can be deceiving, but it's got the power. One of the best things about this bad boy is the customization. Sure, it looks pretty sleek, checking that box, but you can get it with 8 gigs of RAM and a 512 SSD all the way up to 32 gigs of RAM with 2 terabytes of SSD power, ladies and gents, in this chassis. Like I said, looks can be deceiving. You can also bump the GPU power up from a GTX 1050 all the way up to a 1650. Obviously you have to pot and kettle a bit more, but like I'm saying, in this form factor, that's pretty impressive. The only thing that might give the IdeaPad away as a possible gaming laptop is its beautiful blue backlit keys. I call these the cubic zirconias, except they look better than the real thing, and the real things are pretty. And that's before we've even spoken about the beautiful anti-glare IPS level LED backlight display. Woo! So where does this laptop sit in terms of gaming performance? Well, like I said, highly customizable. The SSD up to 2 terabytes, geez, that'll get you at least up to season 4 of Call of Duty. Because the game's so big, the updates are so big, it's ridiculous. But anyway, 2 terabytes should get you there. In terms of performance, well, you can get from a 1050 up to a 1650, and that's good enough to play something like a Call of Duty Modern Warfare Warzone, obviously maybe on medium settings. Obviously anything Counter-Strike related, boom, you're good to go. Valorant, crank that up, boom, you're good to go. Maybe not ultra, but medium to high. I'm gonna call it the medium to high sphere. You're pretty much covered in terms of anything that's out right now. The fact that you can get up to 32 gigs of RAM really helps with the longevity of the performance on this bad boy. Or it really gives this bad boy an advantage in the scrum of gaming laptops out there, is the fact that it's powered by the beautiful Intel i5 9th gen processor, clocked up to 4.1 gigahertz. I'll tell you what, guys, that's a World Cup winner right there. I know, the World Cup was almost a year ago. What the hell am I doing, okay? I'm trying to relive the old days, you know? It's been a pretty depressing time. I'm trying to cling to the good memories. You should too. Hence why you should pick this bad boy up. i5, 9th gen, up to 4.1 gigahertz. Ooh. I need to take a cold shower. In fact, I might have to stop this video to do just that, ladies and gents. Check it out, link in the description. All the bibblies and bobblies, highly customizable. Some of the units are on special as I live and breathe. As I live and breathe, these are on special. Like I said, you get the free backpack. Who doesn't want a free backpack? It's worth at least a couple $100, maybe 1,000. I don't know, I don't make them, but the quality is damn good. With that said, ladies and gents, the W's got to love and leave you. Thank you for joining me. Go check out the beautiful IdeaPad. Like I said, it's for that gamer that wants to not really be noticed as a gamer. You know, sure, your team's probably going to have to carry you to a Warzone victory, but you're going to have some fun, you know, while you're sipping on your single malt whiskey, whatever the case may be. I don't know. Much love to you guys. I'll see you on the next one. It's your boy,